Have you come across the verb andar? If you're not sure about its different meanings, watch this video and I'll show you all you need to know about this very common verb. Olá pessoal, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fernando from funwithbrazilianportuguese.com and I'm here of course to teach you Brazilian Portuguese. If that's something you're interested in learning, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos that I post here every week. Okay, let's have a look at the verb andar. First of all, it's a regular verb, so it follows the same pattern, the same formula for regular verbs ending in AR. With regards to its meaning, it's normally used with a type of transport, meaning to travel, to move around, to get around. Let's have a look at some examples. Você gosta de andar de ônibus? Do you like getting around by bus? Não, prefiro andar de carro. No, I prefer to get around by car. Now, let's do this again and I'll leave some time between the sentences for you to practice your pronunciation. Você gosta de andar de ônibus? Não, prefiro andar de carro. Let's see another example. Você acha que andar de moto é perigoso? Do you think that traveling by motorbike is dangerous? Pronunciation practice, repeat after me. Você acha que andar de moto é perigoso? Notice here that the preposition used with types of transport is G, which here can be translated as by. But if you want to say that you like getting around by foot, you need to say a pé. Eu adoro andar a pé. I love getting around by foot. Repeat after me. Eu adoro andar a pé. Now, and this is very important, when we use the verb andar on its own, not specifying how we're getting around, it means to walk. So it means the same thing as caminhar, or almost the same thing. Let's see these two sentences. Ontem andei no parque a tarde inteira. And ontem caminhei no parque a tarde inteira. Although these two sentences can be translated as yesterday I walked in the park all afternoon, in the first one the emphasis is more on the act of moving around the park by foot, conveying a more leisurely time. In the second one, the emphasis is more on the physical activity of walking. Pronunciation time. Ontem andei no parque a tarde inteira. Ontem caminhei no parque a tarde inteira. Now the verb andar is also used to express to have been or to have been doing something. A good example of that is the song Ando Meio Desligado. Desligado literally means switched off, but it's also used as a slang for absent-minded. So here, this line in the song can be translated as something like, I've been a little absent-minded. When used in the sense of to have been doing something, the verb andar is followed by the gerund of the main verb, the thing that you have been doing. For example, o que você anda fazendo ultimamente? What have you been doing lately? Ando trabalhando muito. I have been working a lot. Pronunciation. O que você anda fazendo ultimamente? Ando trabalhando muito. As always, if you'd like to practice and get my feedback, make up a sentence using the verb andar and write it in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps this video get recommended to other people who are also interested in learning Brazilian Portuguese. Muito obrigado, até a próxima. Tchau!